What is up, everybody? How are we doing today? I'm 1,000 horsepower, and y'all the best fans ever. Hope y'all are doing good today. On this night, on this fine night. Today, as you can tell, we're in the old truck, a little diesel, little 7.5 diesel. And as you can see, this trailer does a winch. And by the title of the video, we are going to pick up a new car, man. Of I don't know. I'm thinking about a nitrous build on this car, maybe like probably a LS nitrous build, something like that. But yeah, probably for stick shift versus everyone. Stick shift versus everyone is just an event that's held at Cecil Dragway. They hold it about every year. It's about a $6,000 win. So it's just a bunch of stick shift cars that race against everybody. Um, but it's against everyone because a lot of stick shift cars, people think they're slow. Really, they're really not battling it. They're really just showing everybody that they're not slow. Now this is a shop that I did come down to every once in a while, and they rent out the street every like year or something. Then they do a little like no prep event. I normally don't come to it because like there's other no prep events. Sorry y'all, that are bigger. But sometimes I do come here and do some no prep racing. But yeah, we're gonna pull in. The dude wants like the car's like rugged. Like I mean, there's nothing left of it. Um, I think he wants like $1,000 for it. I mean, the body's in good condition. There's not that much rust, but it has no engine, wheels. It has wheels and stuff like that, but it's just not in that good of condition. He's not here though. I've already paid him. It's already paid $1,000, so I'm just coming to pick it up. So this video won't be that long. Maybe like 10 minutes long. And then I'm gonna give a little tour like what I like the cars that I have. But there's the car right there. But the only reason the shop doors are open is because he has somebody dropping off a car today, and I think I was like, he's like the shop doors way up. I'm like, it's it's kind of sketchy leaving your doors up. He's like, yeah, somebody's dropping off a car, and he just has them open because I think also people are just coming in and out, so he doesn't really care. Not many people. Oh, oh. Hold on, y'all. Let me fix my trailer. Alright guys, we're heading around just like this part right here. Now I'm looking at it, this car's kind of wider than I thought. I don't know if it's going to fit up on this little trailer that I got right here. But we're going to see, so I'm going to get this thing winched up, and I'll if I don't stop the video, and next time you see us, we're heading out, then there's nothing wrong. But if something does happen, I'll make sure to record it. Alright guys and girls, we have the car loaded, as you can see. It wasn't that hard. The winch gave us a little bit of a problem. Just wasn't coming out correctly. Greased it up and everything. And then we got her rolling. So now we're going to head back to the shop. I'm going to give you a little tour of the house. Now there are little things with like the problems with the house. There's some no texture mods. Ever since beamng did get updated, there was that like that. But yeah, I don't know why that happened. Don't worry, I'm just going to cross against right here. I don't care. But yeah, so I'm sorry for that, but y'all just kind of don't pay it no mind. Kind of just like, just really just don't pay attention to it. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. So if you wonder what this truck is, this is a 89 or 86 Ford F-150. Beautiful truck. It has a 7.5 diesel in it, so pretty good motor for pulling, especially something like this. Everyone it's gonna be pulling a lot of project cars, and I really just has to pull it up to this like little hill right here. There's nothing really much else. And yeah, we're pulling here. We probably won't get started building on this thing until next video. We might get like some because we obviously got to order some things, but we may I'm not 100% sure yet on what we'll do, but we're actually gonna pop it right here so we don't hit the ram. Now that's our big toe pig. That's what we pull. If you watched we got a small tire video that we made. That's what that's the same truck right there. Different trailer though. All right. leave that open. Actually, no, we're not. Okay, so here's the garage. Here's the auxiliary or extra garage. Yeah, here's like the no texture stuff. Sorry about that, y'all. Then we're gonna go through the house. I don't know if this house does have a back door on it. Yeah, I mean, it does have a door, but it's down there. So first, I'm gonna give you obviously the truck. 86 or 89 Ford 7.5. It's F-150 on wides, but it has graps on it. On the bed we have a flatbed, generator, fuel jugs, and a little toolbox. Trailer, little winch trailer. Probably get a better one, maybe. Obviously, new car. I think I did bin that. Our trailer, racing trailer, has like the pop outside and everything. Or Dodge Ram on Freightliner Smalls, 3500. Beautiful truck. Now these are the drag cars. This right here, this is Purple Pimp. Used to be a no prep car that I built. Didn't like it. One day took it out to Maryland International Raceway. Liked it a lot on that track. Went about 8.5 in the quarter. It's a nitrous car. I'll crank it up for y'all. It's a nitrous car. Wait, no, actually not. It's a single turbo car. My bad. I'll do a little two-step for y'all. Alright. Next car. This is my no prep Mustang on about a 700 shot of nitrous. Obviously the gray door. Like the way it looks. It's on about 1,000 shot of nitrous. No, about 700. Double purge out the front. Sorry, yeah. Sounds amazing. I'll do a little two-step for y'all on this one also. Car is fast and nice. Now here's the main garage. I got a little grass growing. Forgot to cut the grass. Here's the interior of my house. I mean, nothing crazy, you know. Bathroom, you know. Oh, okay. I don't think the house need to be explored anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Um, Boys and girls, we're gonna now. We also probably I'll be posting some progress pics also on the TikTok. Now the TikTok is just give me 2 seconds. I'll tell y'all. The TikTok is sorry if you hear me. The TikTok is 1,000 horsepower garage zero. So the YouTube name just with the zero at the end. We post some content on there. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Wait, actually, we're not gonna end it yet. I'm gonna show you the inside of this trailer because I do love this trailer a lot, a lot, a lot. Here's the inside of this trailer. Obviously, the ramps come down. I think we're going to a yeah. Here's the trailer. Beautiful. Pulls back up. I think we're going to an event. There's a place called At the Hill. It's called The Hill. I don't even know where it's at, but that's gonna be pretty fun with all that stuff. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. I'm 1,000 horsepower. Y'all the best fans. Deuces.